Alright, good morning all my subscribers. This morning I'm going to show you 3 bending machines that I made. The first one you can see is I put a handle and 2 pieces of pipes, that one is closer diameter than the other one, and then it presses the other one. It just swivel here with a square tubing. You can somewhere clamp it in your vise. The first one, if you take a piece of metal, this is for the legs of the toes of the geckos that I used to make. Let me just get you can see this is just legs. This toe part of then you just put a type of a bend in there, and then if you press the thing down, it squeezes that one in there. Then you can see how it looks. It gives it a bit of a bended profile, also make the metal a little bit stronger. So this is one of the machines. The geckos must little bit bigger than this one, because that one, the toes is a little bit close to each other. So this is one. Not just get another one. Okay, this is the next one. What I did here, I just make a little, it's one of those metal, I think this was a ball or something, a round metal ball that I cut off. And here is the other side, and I put a washer in here just to make it a little bit stronger. You can just like put your screw thread in there and just adjust it for the right height, and then you just press, and this thing goes on top of that one. And then just this is for the gecko's toes. This is like, for instance, there's the gecko's toes. If I'm going to put it there, then you press it, go like this, and then you get this little thing that makes the toe looks more real. If you want to make a little profile in the toe, I'm just gonna get a real gecko here, and I'll just show you quickly. Okay, here's my gecko. You can see here's the toes and stuff. Then you just turn them around, and you just put the toe in there. Then you just go and you give it a whack. Then it makes a little mark in there, so you can go all the way. The gecko's toes. Just to give it a little, used to make it, then you can just see, just a little bit closer here. You see all of them have a little mark in here to give it a more real look. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, here's the last one. It is a piece of angle iron that I also clamp inside on my bank table vise. There's a little pipe with a hole in here, and here's a pin. I welded the rod in here, and then it just puncture. What you do, I used to make with coffee cans, I put this little holes in to put lights in the inside that it can shine through. Then you just go and you press. Let me just fasten this thing properly. You just press it, and you can see you can punch a hole in it. So you can go and you can punch another hole, punch another hole. It's the way to punch holes in a with a thin tin or something, for you to do something, to put a light inside. Yeah, this is just it swivels here. Just 3 kind of bending machines that I wanted to show you, that I have here, just for interest sake. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video, and you can maybe, if you want, one day you want to make something like this, to bend a piece of metal or punch a hole in it. This is a way to to show you how to do it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video then. Until next time, cheers.